to this edition of India Means Innovation, where we discuss the technologically complex innovations coming out of India. Today, we'll be talking to Mr. Rajendra Chougule, who is the head of the Center of Excellence for Automotive Technologies at Tata Consultancy Services. Tata Consultancy Services is the digital transformation and technology partner of choice for industry-leading organizations across the world. Welcome, Rajendra.
Thank you, Aditya.
EVs are becoming absolutely mainstream now, but their price points are a bit high. Can you explain why is that?
Higher price of EV is a challenge currently in industry. So, if you see 50% cost of EV is coming from two major components. One is a battery and another is e-powertrain components. So today we will focus on e-powertrain components for our discussion, and we will see what we are doing around those components to address the challenges.
So the e-powertrain is what transfers the power from the battery to the wheels?
Absolutely.
Okay. So what's the problem with the e-powertrains?
So currently, if you see the traditional EVs, those are having discrete e-power components. Those are onboard chargers, DC-DC converters, power distribution units, and motor inverters, and so on. So these discrete components are connected to each other by cables, bus bars, contactors, and heavy connectors. And those are required to carry high current to ensure electrical safety. But these interfaces increases weight and size, thereby increasing the cost of EV, and which is a center for innovation.
So higher weight, larger size, therefore higher cost, and at the same time so many parts, so many connections, so lesser efficiency because much more losses in transmission. So what is the innovation that you have come up with?
In a TCS, we have developed innovative platform called 3-in-1 EV charging platform, which integrates three components. That is why 3-in-1. One is onboard charger, DC-DC converter, and third is power distribution unit in a single compact box.
That's wonderful. So by integrating three major components, you're reducing the weight, you're reducing the size of this whole thing, therefore you're reducing the cost, you're increasing the efficiency.
Absolutely.
Now, we talked about the cost of EV, but the other, anxiety amongst EV drivers, EV owners is the driving range. So does that mean that this also provides a higher driving range for the vehicle?
Yes. In turns, it reduces the weight of the vehicle and thereby increasing the efficiency of the vehicle or entire powertrain and offers a high driving range to the owners.
So lower cost of the EV, higher driving range. What are the technologies you're using to make this possible?
Here I can highlight 5 different aspects of the technology. One, it's a scalable architecture which covers 400 volt battery to 800 volt battery and vehicle ranges also, passenger vehicles to heavy commercial vehicles. That is one. Second, it uses silicon carbide MOSFETs. This is the latest technology. It provides higher efficiency at lower cost. Third is bidirectional power topology, which allows us to provide power from vehicle to home or grid, which is called V2G or V2L, vehicle to load. Fourth, liquid cooled mechanical enclosure for handling the thermal profile of this design. And fifth important aspect is configurable software, which is based on AutoSAR layer It runs on two multi-core microcontrollers and comply with cybersecurity and functional safety standards.
And this entire innovation has been designed, architected, developed here by your team in Pune, in India, right?
Yes, absolutely. This entire product from the scratch is developed by TCS design team of India in collaboration with Tata Autocom Systems. It includes hardware development, software development, mechanical enclosure, and prototype are manufactured at our Goa factory. But mass manufacturing will be happening at Tata Autocom manufacturing plant.
And you have global clients for this?
Yes, absolutely.
So the smaller size, the lesser weight of this entire powertrain unit also means that there is more space available in the EV?
Yes. Now, as an end user, OEMs, what OEMs are getting out of it? So OEMs are getting a reduction in overall weight of the car, as well as improvement in available space in the car. Whereas EV owners, they will get upfront reduction in a cost, as well as they will get improved range. So this is the advantage.
So let me recount the benefits. Lower upfront cost of the EV, higher driving range, more space in the car, more sustainable. Wow, this is an excellent example of India means innovation. Thank you so much, Rajendra.
Thank you, Aditya.